Hello, my name is Jacob Baldwin with United Grinding North America, and today we're going to talk about cutting tools. Specifically, we're going to talk about this corner radius end mill. This is a corner radius end mill with a 1 1/4 inch diameter. It's got 6 flutes. The thick shaft here indicates the tool was designed for higher material removal rate, probably used to machine engine blocks or transmission cases, anything where large amounts of material needs to be removed. This is a high-speed steel end mill, so common applications include high material removal of softer materials such as aluminum, bronze, brass, or plastics. The corner radius at the end of each flute leaves that shape into whatever workpiece the tool is being used on. The center cutting feature on this end mill allows the tool to plunge directly into the material and begin its tool path. Gashing at the end of the tool helps with chip evacuation. You'll notice the use of multiple gashing methods inside of the Walter Tool Studio software that are used to make this tool. Tool grinders who manufacture quarter radius end mills such as this one enjoy many features about Walter grinders, such as the one-pass programming option in Tool Studio, which allows a single wheel to grind the face, the radius, and the OD of the tool in a single pass, simplifying programming complexity and reducing valuable seconds in cycle time. The trigger scaling option in Tool Studio allows tool grinders to match geometric ratios across a family of tools with multiple diameters. Walter tool making and measuring machines excel at manufacturing some of the most complex cutting tools in the world. And we've got engineering resources that can help you design a new process or optimize your existing process. So if you've got a cutting tool project that you'd like to discuss, give us a call.